This whole thing, I'm going to start now. Like, Neil's ready for me to start here.
I can see you getting angry.
This whole thing is entirely driven by the media. Like, as a journalist in a professional capacity, it would be great. I'd love, in that sense, for the All-Ireland finals to be in September. Mm-hmm. But from every other perspective, it makes no sense for the GA. And don't get me wrong, what they have now, the All-Irelands at the end of July, is the best case scenario for everybody. That is the perfect structure of a season.
If people want an All-Ireland final in September, then every single county in Ireland has to run their club championships in exactly the same way and at exactly the same time, and that's obviously never going to happen. But Cahair's point that the county game has to seed something for the clubs' championships and leagues to be run. Is it not the onus on the actual counties themselves to run their own competitions in a more efficient way?
But how do you do that within that structure? So if you push those out into August, the only way that you can do that is either you trim off your club games, you take games away from the clubs, or you try and put games into the middle of the inter-county season, which defeats the entire purpose of a split season. Yeah. The county players love the split season. They've overwhelmingly, repeatedly voted in favour of it when the GPA have asked them. And there is just no way that we can go back to what was there in the past, where they used to talk about April Club Month, where
that didn't last too long.
But people seem to think that that's the solution. Let's put club games back in. Let's stretch the county season out and then put club games back in the middle of it, forgetting what an unmitigated disaster that was.